Hello everybody, welcome back to the Chateau. As you can see, I've got some contact lenses in, so I'm almost back to fully fighting fit. Thanks for your nice comments. But I'm gonna get a job finished today and another one ticked off the list. There are the pocket holes. So, can't find pocket hole screws in France, or where I am anyway. So ordinarily, big screw, as you can see, because it's supposed to hide, it won't, because it won't go in there. However, the ones I've just ground down will hide nicely, and then I'll just fill over the top. Oh!
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over.
Third coat on the tops. That is nearing the right shade now. Might need a fourth to match where it's supposed to go, but that's fine. And primer, so now the frame has all been sanded down. Bare wood sorted. So as soon as that's dry, and get on with a nice coat of the actual top coat. Probably need 2 coats of that as well. So let's see what this all looks like when it's dry. Primer is dry. Third coat is dry. I'm going to make a decision on this in a minute, whether I want it one extra coat, just make it a bit more even. Don't know if I'll make it darker, it'll make it more even. And it's time to get some top coat on this.
So much ground just to keep from floating. My love is roaring that heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes sober. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes sober.
Right, I reckon that is the last coat on those. That will look great when it's dry, and for anyone that is in the comments about to mention that I painted over the bolts, that's because I have larger bolts to go in there, so a larger thread which will hold everything together better, larger washers, and of course then the heads will look good. So it didn't matter about painting over those because they are sacrificial. I will take them out, replace them with something else which is bigger, and I'll just clean them up with the wire brush on the drill for the next application of whatever I'm doing. It really didn't matter. It was easier to have it all complete and then change them than worry about anything else. So I think that's as far as I can get until it's dry. Well, apart from changing the bolts, which I didn't mind covering up, these were just to build it. And it's going to be these, which are bigger, longer, so bigger thread, bigger, longer, and they're obviously a larger washer. So these smaller ones will come out, but to get it into where I've got to take the legs off. So I will put all of these in once I've putting it into situ, but I am now a happy man that can go off and be put in place, and that's another job ticked off.